friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a sticker to your images in Canva. So once you're inside your Canva design, if you want to add a sticker, it's very easy, and I'm going to use an example here. So as you can see here, I have a text here in neon style with the word beach. So I'm going to move this towards the left hand side here, and then we're going to add, for example, a sticker with a name, with a sun or something like that. So in order to add that, guys, it's very easy. You want to go ahead, click on elements at the bottom there. You want to basically look for whatever you want, right? So let's say at the top we want to look for a sun, so we will type in the word sun and just hit search, and it's going to find sun in graphics, it's going to find it in sticker, it's going to find whatever, right? So you can use graphics as an example because that's also works, right? So you can go ahead and you can even go across and you can find whatever it is. So you can look for graphics. So under graphics, you can go ahead and you can find something of your choice. So you can go ahead and you can find whatever it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose something that looks really cool. So let's say I want to use, let's say this one here. I can go ahead and I can select this, and it's gonna add to my design. No, I want to show you one more thing. Let's say I want to animate this. It's also very easy. Once you tap on it, you want to go ahead and scroll across at the bottom, and you want to look for the animate. So tap on animate and you can find something that actually works. So you want to scroll across and find something that will actually work. So let's test the pop. It looks good. We can also use some, let's see how this looks. For the breed, you can just find something that you really like. So this one could be good. The neon is also nice, right? So there's so many options. This one is also cool as well. So you can, or the flick is good, or the pulse is also nice, or the wobble. You know, whichever one you find, guys, that you want, you can go ahead and you can choose it. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can easily add stickers to your Canva design in Canva app. Very easy and very simple.